How to fix Beforepay payment or transfer failed error. If you are facing any kinds of problem while making your transactions, first what you need to do is you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be having any problems regarding your internet connection while making transactions. However, if you're still facing the problem, you want to go to your settings. Here you want to scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and now you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Beforepay application. Tap on show all, tap on Beforepay, and simply offload the app from here. You want to reinstall the app again, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of problem with your payments. However, if you're still facing the problem, you want to log out and log in onto your account. And if that doesn't solve your problem as well, you want to simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.